So good afternoon everyone, my name is Ira Kirabino, your moderator of this group focus of discussion. Our discussion is about of exploring pedagogical teacher effectiveness and student academic performance. Before we start, we have some few rules in this discussion. Number one, always listen. So the participants must always listen to avoid confusion. And second, keep your mic mute if you are not going to speak, and also to reduce noisiness in background. And third, raise your hand if you are going to answer, and lastly, focus on topic. Now let's move on to warm up. So I'll provide here some simple question. You all just need to give a thumbs up if your answer is yes. So the first question is, does your teacher helps you to understand the lesson? Okay, so all the participants say yes. Second question, when you make mistakes, does your teacher consistently provide constructive and insightful feedback that effectively guides your learning process and helps you understand how to improve? So all the participants say yes again. Third question, do you regularly review your notes outside of class to deepen your understanding? Okay. So all the participants say yes again. Now let's move on to main body complex question. These questions are open-ended, so you can answer it freely without limitation. So the question is, in what ways does the quality of the teacher-student relationship and the creation of a positive classroom climate correlate with a student's academic self-efficacy and overall performance? Yes, Joel, open your mic.
Good relationship between teacher and the student most positive environment in classroom give students the confidence self-efficacy with the attempt participation should encourage more try and better learning in this regard.
Okay, so anyone would like to add the answer? None? Okay, let's move on to the next question. How does a teacher's practices related to promoting collaboration and peer learning influence a student's deeper understanding of complex concepts and their long-term academic success? Just raise your hand if you are going to answer. Okay, yes, De La Rosa.
Learning, it honestly helps me understand hard lessons way better because we get to share our ideas, share our thoughts, and explain things in our own words while also learning from each other's perspective po.
Okay, so
Okay, so
anyone would like to answer, would like to add the answer? Anyone? Okay, wala. So thank you for your participation. And anyone does have an question? Okay, wala. So that's the end of our discussion. Thank you again for your participation.